Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out a CapCut account in your phone. So first, open the CapCut apps, and in here you can click on the profile in me at the bottom. Click on it, and in here you can click three lines in the top right, this one. Click on it, and then in here you can click on sign out, this one. Click on it and finish. Your account has been logged out in your phone. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys. Bye bye.